March 31st are coming, and you guys asking me if there's gonna be any changes after March 31st. And guys, yes, the changes are coming. On March 26th, if you have your road test booked, I think that you will receive cancellations. If you did receive cancellation and you have a test on March 26th, please comment down below, because I want to know more if other people, not just my students, receive the cancellation. Other than that, what I heard, some of the test centers will be closed, temporary ones, because I think that now they are up to the date with the test. More tests available now to book for a G test. I'm talking about just the G test, not a G2. And another thing that I heard, they gonna put some maneuvers back, like 3-point turn, parallel parking, and roadside stop. I am not 100% sure, but what I hear from the examiners, also from the driving instructors that they are in the business for a long time, changes that they reduce all this 3-point turn and parallel parking and roadside stop because of the time that they couldn't pick up the make up more appointments. Now we are okay, and people are start getting more appointments, so I don't think that's gonna be an issue, and they will bring back some maneuvers. And that's the reason that they cancel test on March 26. Another thing that I want to share with you guys, if you would like to know more about it, if you join me on my Patreon, the link down below, you can get more information and you can learn a lot more from my Patreon videos, because I don't put them on YouTube. Some of them it's on YouTube, some of them it's there more for my Patreon, so that you can learn more from there. So yeah, I just answer a couple, I have some comments that people asking me to answer this question, so I said that I will try my best to make a video so you guys be informed and you will know what's going to happen after March 31st. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.